It's Monday night and I'm making this video for you because I'm going to be gone tomorrow. So it's tomorrow and you're in class, and here's the video. So this is Tootsie. You've heard about Tootsie. She's going to sit on my lap and help me. This is the fourth take. I'm hoping that this works and I can be done. So here we go. Let's try this one more time. Okay, when you come in, get the two handouts. If you didn't get them, just raise your hand and our guest teacher will bring them to you. While you're waiting, get your homework out, and the teacher is going to do a roll call. She's going to call everyone's name to make sure we know who's here. After that, she or he is going to come around and check your homework. Okay, while you're waiting, I want you to do these down here. So while you're waiting on a piece of paper, go ahead and do 3 to the second, 5 to the first, 2 to the third, and 11 to the 0 power. We'll put this on pause while you do that. All right, so the teacher has checked your homework. If you didn't finish it, get it done. Okay, while you were waiting and you were doing these, so 3 to the second is 3 times 3. 3 times 3, and that is 9. 5 to the first is 5 once, so that is 5. 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2. And that is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. All right. And 11 to the 0 power is 1. Okay? Is 1. All right. Next slide. Okay, we're going to do prime factorization. You did this last year. You made these trees, and you got down to the prime numbers. We're going to do it again. All right. So let's just remember what prime and composite is. I'm going to have the guest teacher put this on pause, and then you turn to your partner and talk about what is the definition of prime, what's the definition of composite. Okay, you're back. So hopefully you came up with prime is a number with just 2 factors. You have to forgive me, it's really hard. There's my S. It's really hard. I got a touchpad. I'm trying to draw. Okay, a composite is more than 2 factors. So it's going to be 3 or more factors. All right. Let's put it on pause again, and you're going to decide where these numbers go. Do they go on the composite side or the prime side? All right, you're back. So let's sort these out. Okay, 11. We know that's prime. 1 and 11 are the only things that go into 11. 5. Prime. 7. Prime. 12. Composite, any even number besides 2 is composite. So 2 is a prime number. Now, that does not mean all odd numbers are prime. Think of 21. 21 is composite. Okay, think of 15. 15 is composite. So you can't just go by even and odd. Otherwise, that would just be even and odd. Okay, so let's move on. All right, so what are the steps? Well, we're going to write down the number. We're going to branch off the math facts, and then we're going to circle the prime numbers. For example, let's do 12. I like 12. 12. So here's my branch. 2 times 6. 2 is prime. 6 is not. 6 can be broke down again. 2 times 3. That's prime, and that's prime. Okay, we're done. Now, when we go back, if we multiplied all these together, we would get 12. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So that's a way of checking it. Okay, where am I ever going to use this? Well, I have 18 oranges, and I need to break them down into smaller groups. I want to know how many I can put in each different group. Okay, so let's make a branch. 18, 9 times 2. 2 is prime. 9 is 3 times 3. All right, those are prime. So there's my groups. I'll have 2 oranges in one group, 3 oranges in another group, and 3 oranges in another group. Okay, you go ahead and do this. Once everyone is done, we'll give you a couple minutes. Then we will come back. So pause it, do it, come back. All right, you're back. Here we go. I'm going to divide this by 2. That seems to be the easiest way. To do these. 2 goes into 42 21 times. 20, come on, 21 times 2 is 42. 2 is prime. I can circle it. All right, 7 times 3 is 21, and both of those are prime. So 7 times 3 times 2. 7 times 3 times 2 would be 42. All right, let's try another one. 56. Press pause, and then come back when you're done. All right, you're back. So this is a big number, and sometimes, I don't know. I don't remember how many 2's go into this. So let's just do a quick division here. 2 goes into 5 2 times with 1 left over because it's 4. 2 times 2 is 4. And I have 1 left over. I'm going to bring down my 6. All right, 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, so 28 goes into this. So 2 times 28 is 56. All right, we know that's prime. Let's break this one down. Okay, 28. So 1 and 4, 14 times 2, oh my gosh, 2. And then I can break this one down. 7 times 2. All right, there's my primes. 2 times 2 times 2 times 7 is 56. All right, we're going to skip this one because I want you to do this one now with your partner at your table. Make sure that you understand what's going on. Our guest speaker is just going to walk around and kind of guide you. And then, Tootsie's licking my hand. Don't lick, it's okay. And then after you finish that, you're going to do this worksheet, and this is homework if you don't get this done. This is homework. Make sure you get this done for when I get back. All right? Okay, so there you go.